Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Flexcil versus Notewise, two underrated apps that don't always get the spotlight but deserve attention. Flexcil is unique because it's built around reading and annotating PDFs. It allows us to highlight, drag snippets into notebooks, and organize study materials in a way that feels natural. If we deal with textbooks or research papers, Flexcil is a powerhouse. Notewise is more about the writing and structure. Its note organization and handwriting tools are smooth, and it focuses on simplicity for students and everyday users. So, what's the bottom line? If we spend more time reading, annotating, and pulling references into notes, Flexcil is unbeatable. But if we're mainly writing and want simple but powerful note organization, Notewise is the way to go. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.